Hi everyone. I welcome you all back in my Unreal Engine tutorial. So today I will tell you that how you can import assets or content from one project to another. This is quite easy process, and this is a quite important process because you have this asset. Let's say this is my previous project. So you have these buildings, right, in your project, and you need to, let's say, import some other assets like other, let's say, trees, vehicles, or other components, rocks, and something like that is which is you're gonna merge them together to form a new project actually. So like this is important. If you want to do like if you want to merge all the assets or import the assets, so that is the process that you need to go for create a new folder, and then this is the import folder, and you have to import whatever the asset is, either it's FBX 3D file or texture file, whatever the things that is, and that is the process of importing. But this one is merging the content from one project to another project. How can you do that? Okay, so this is called in Unreal, this is called migration. Migrating the content from one project to another project. Let's say I'm gonna use my spaceship project, and I'm gonna import, this is my station building project, so I'm gonna import my spaceship in this project. So how can I do that? I need to, before going to do that, let's say I'll have to minimize this and go to the Unreal editor and open up the spaceship 4 project. Okay, okay, something like that. So this is the Unreal map, Unreal Engine 4 spaceship 4 map. So you're gonna import the map, you're gonna import the material, you're gonna obviously import the texture and the FBA. So what you have to do, let's say you want to import this one, so you just go this one, this one, this one, this one, select this 4, and you're gonna right click and select migrate. Okay, select the migrate. As soon as you click on migrate, you see the spaceship, all the spaceship contents, I mean spaceship map, spaceship materials, texture, and FBX is okay. And then you go to the OK, press on OK for OK, and then you are gonna see this migration. Choose a destination content folder. Okay, choose, it's asking choose a destination content folder. So what you have to do is asking for the new label content folder. Okay, so where you have to put them. Okay, so like I create this one in this folder. Let's say I need to find that where I just put that station building. I made some things. I'm like, this is the station building. Okay, station building, and you see config, content, and saved and all this thing. You see the content folder. Click on content folder, and you click on content folder, you see the station building and all the things is there. So you just go to there, click on content, and select that content folder and select folder. Okay. Okay, now you go to here, maybe wait for some time. Wait for some time. To, you know, station building map. Yeah, this content is okay, but this one, oops. Okay, wait for some time. I think it's not, it's freeze. Oops, yeah, it's freezing. This one is working. Let me close that. Oops, I don't think it's not responding. Okay, maybe. Oops, it's totally gone, huh? Maybe I need to reopen that. Maybe, okay. Maybe I need to reopen that and try to migrate again. Sorry for the interruption. Unwanted things happen. You know, the Unreal crash. All the softwares actually. So you go to the map folder. You go to the map folder. Let's say the FBX. I need to select them all, and then right click, and then go for migrate, and then okay, click everything, yeah, click everything, no problem. Go to there and go to work, go to the where is the station building? Yeah, there. Go to there, and the content, select the content folder and select folder. Yeah, now you see something happens. You just see that it migrates. Okay, so now if I go to again, go to the Unreal, and if I go to the station building project, you will see the folders, and all the content is there. You see the folders, you see the specific, yeah, something like you know, station building map, new map. Okay, so if you see the specific four map also come here. You see, this is now the two for project is merged in a one container. Like if you go to this station building map, and you can bring up the, you see the station building, okay, then the spaceship 4 materials, you can see the materials and you can see the textures and spaceship 4 fbx. So I can drag and drop my thing here. You see, are you seeing this because of the texture are missing? But you can see here I perfectly imported my assets from one project to another project. So you can see, so this is the gray thing you are seeing because of the material is missing. Actually, I just if you see here, let's say the material is specific material, that the head part. Where is the head part? Yeah, there is the head part. Okay, as you can see, here is the head part. And the ring, the body part here. Okay, and the ring part is here. Okay, and the engine holder is here, and the engine is here. Very simple. Okay, very simple. Okay, so you can see that I migrated from one project to another, like function f5 f11. As you can see, it's completely perfectly migrated from one project to another. Now you can merge it and you can create some whatever you can create a completely new project by the migration of this one. So you can see, sorry for the Unreal Engine hang up and Unreal Engine freezes, but this is a quite okay. So what you have to do is only you need to, from the content drawer, you need to select that migration folder, and it is a right click and then the migrate. Click on migrate, then the dialog box is open to migrate the project. So you can migrate. So this is quite handy and quite important tutorial, actually. I mean tips, because if you are working with a big project, then maybe your teammates build something, maybe you get the project from another place, or maybe you can use some of your old projects in your new project. So this method is very handy. It's like a Unity importing package. So importing package in a Unity, but right, Unreal Engine is the migration. Okay, migration, the content, the folders. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this one, and I will be coming again with the new tips and tutorials. So thank you guys, and be happy, and keep supporting me, keep supporting my channel, and please stay with me. Thank you very much.